Happy New Year's, everybody. New Year. It is the 1st of January 2025, and I'm gonna cook my New Year's dinner. And this is my overcoat. I'm gonna tidy my environment because I run Girl Friday in my home office, and it's very significant on the 1st of January to tidy your environment, because a tidy environment equals a tidy mind, and when we have a tidy mind we can think a lot better. I early on promoted this. I don't like mess around me. So for me, tidying my environment is significant. If you're that kind of person who thinks that a New Year's equal new beginning, that includes tidying your environment and keep everything neat around you, yeah? Attend the cat got the cream. Register an interest, enroll before the 7th of January 2025, and join the recruit of 60 business owner who's gonna start the 15 months mentoring support. Bye for now. I finished tidying my office because I work from home. I finished tidying my home office. I'm glad to see that in 2024 my effort paid off regarding my body weight and body look, because it's not because we're getting older that we have to look big or on a large size, let's say, to be PC. I am a person who loves to look after myself, and there's nothing wrong with that, to be honest. I don't like to be the next one or the one next to me. I am an individual and I like me. So I do what's good for me. Basically, I do me. I don't do you. I don't really care. When I say I don't really care, I don't mean that I don't care about you, because Trisha's got an affinity toward people, but I don't care if people are jealous about me. That hasn't got anything to do with me. If you like me or not, that is not my business. I've noticed since I small smoking, I put on the weight, and in my area, people are fucking rude because they did told me what I've realized about myself. Well, it took me not that quick to lose the weight. No, since 2023. I did 20 kilometers around London and I shed the excess weight. I did. But the stubborn bit still there. That's gonna take time. It's like long strategy in your business. It does take time. It's not a quick fix. Just your body show us. Our body demonstrate it. Nobody shed off the weight like this very fast unless you take laxative. And yes, you will drain yourself out, but you will put the weight a lot quicker. Well, businesses is just like this. People always want fast, fast, fast. But to talk to the right audience and finding that the audience for your business takes time. This is why you need to have a specialism. But being a marketer, us, we have look for a specialist that nobody has, because you always need to be the differentiator. You can't be like the majority. Simon Sinek had talked about that. He likes the bell curve, the standard deviation. I like the law of averages. I follow all those laws. They older than me. I follow them because those are really good. And when you look around you, you don't have to go very far. You look through your window, your vision is not that big. You can see the top and the surrounding around us, but even whatever we do demonstrate to us our customer acquisition in reality. We only get 20%, and it takes time to acquire an audience that you can nurture. We will return for years to come and refer you or access you when they grow, because your audience can be small, the small children, if you provide sweet and biscuit and kid strategy, kid toys, kid everything. But young adults see different things. Adults see different things. And older folks see different things. But in terms of your business, like my business, it's kind of a difficult area because we provide specialist services, professional services. Well, it's New Year, yeah, so I have to go and cook my dinner. But I'm pleased to have lost some weight, man. Apparently, I'm an apple chef. I love apple and I drink juice these days. This is my seasoned. Look good, isn't it? Little bit of butter on the side. Butter softens the meat. It always does, and give it a creamy texture. This is New Year, new beginning, good food in my belly. All throughout the year, I love cooking. But I like to make a show during the 1st. I no longer celebrate the 31st. Follow tradition. But it's good to follow. So you see, do this like this. That's all you see, bye. It's in my oven for 1 hour, 30 minutes. God, gas, Mark 5. It is a rainy day in London on the 1st of January 2025. We are having a soup with our arm, with powerful ingredients for brain. Well, and I get double cream too for Emily. Double cream. That's all you have to know about my soup. Do you know in your business you need a positive budget, and always to keep it positive? Negative budget affect your bottom line all the time. Or you need to wash your leek before cooking it. There's always a bit of dirt in there, that's what I'm saying. It's good to remove the end of the carrot because you have a nick there, and remove that bit here. It doesn't matter in a soup, but if you are a neat person, it does matter to you. Carrot is very good for your eyes. You should eat healthy. Carrot is very healthy, but it's part of your fiber a day, and you should remove the bit there. You could eat it, it won't kill you, but if you're a neat person, you remove it. Sage, it's an all-around spices for women. Good for menopausal women too. Always put some in your food. That's what I'm saying. Turmeric. Very good for your body. If our research is benefit, I'll find it. Research is important. in your business, you also have marketing and research. That's how you can build your customer persona. That's all I'm saying. Paprika give color to the food. It has a very mild taste, but my soup doesn't look like this when it's finished. You don't see? Okay. Let's move the phone down a bit because people love cooking, Trisha. So you can see the soup. Won't that look lovely? New Year's meal. We need to celebrate new beginning. And food is a mean to do so. Bit of jerk seasoning in there. Oh yes. I can't take pepper. I'm a black woman who can't take pepper, but black pepper in my food. Go figure. That's all. Shallot in the soup. You want to see? Shallot in the soup. I'm going to cut it. I can't put it all, but I'm going to cut it. 2 shallot and 1 garlic. A clean kitchen is a must on a first. Tidy environment, tidy mindset. That gives you a positive attitude toward life. In a nutshell, long-term strategy are the best, but short-term strategy are equally good if they help your audience with a solution. That's all I'm saying. Whichever way you go, it's good to go. And patience is a must. Our patience is tested all the time. My belly is hungry. I'm cooking my New Year's dinner. The kitchen smells lovely. I want to eat, but I will wait. I will bake my time because my dinner will taste so much better until it's cooked. It's a long one, this one. 1 hour 30 for my ham, and the thing tastes nice and it's not finished yet. Then my soup, half an hour, quick, put the double cream, but after that we will have to wait for the ham. And on top of that, my daughter went to the movie, so I need to wait for her because it will be rude of me just to eat on my own, knowing full well that she's coming back after seeing a horror movie is the latest. I don't care to remember the name because that doesn't interest me, but she does like horror. Three signs that you are not making sell in your business. That is because you are not accessing good material for your business. Here how to fix it. At La Boutique, we got everything that you need to start up or grow your business. For startup, we have your business kit. Business plan, marketing plan, funding, market research, and the importance of a business name. For the entrepreneur, marketer, and you want to increase your presence online, we've got 10 SEO boost, backlink building, what makes a successful entrepreneur. And if you're running your business struggling in the first year, the second year, and the third year, I find out myself by running my business, we didn't make any profit before year 3. Cecile went profit emerges. For the 2 to 3 years, London businesses or global businesses struggling, we got our self-help section. In there you find the core asset of marketing plus the seller a winner combination. Fear is a silent killer. Elevate to a higher height. And Dale Carnegie is in La Boutique. Start up and grow like you mean it. That's all I'm saying. Look at that arm. How lovely it looks. And that lush gravy gonna be poured into my Girl Friday cup. I can't wait to have that dim dim. It looks lush. Well seasoned and everything. Now I got to put some glaze on it. I glazed it. I didn't put a lot of muscadavado glaze on it because I tasted it and it's not my cup of tea. But it did glaze the ham. Okay, my dinner is set to look good. And my gravy is lush. So if I don't eat it today, I'm telling you this is pasta. Meaning I'm pouring it on soup. The vegetable look lush, cook and everything. Et voilà, soup velouté. The fume doesn't help it to tough and the light, but that look wonderful. It does. Soup velouté. Moisturizing bubble, and look at all those spices, creamy texture, lusher than lush. New beginning, 1st of January, my dinner. So when it's put together, it looks good. My Lord, look at those little portions. And that gravy, oh my Lord. Hello Jesus. My humble 1st of January 2025 dinner. Creamy velouté soup with double cream, ham glaze with muscovado glaze, season and rub in butter first with clove. Infuse the ham and a pate roti. Perfect new beginning. You see how tidy everything look? This is how your business should be. Visit girlfriday.com for all your marketing needs. We pour out enough content for you to prosper for years to come. You got everything you need at every stage of your growth of your SME in La Boutique, kitted out, website design, social media. You get the best of the best. Don't settle for mediocrity. Go for premium solution. Happy New Year, Girl Friday.